Hey everyone, welcome back to Cloveron. If you've ever inserted a table in Microsoft Word and found that your text spills outside the page margins or breaks awkwardly across pages, don't worry. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to properly fit a table in Word while keeping all the text within the margins and stopping rows from splitting across pages. Let's get started. First, let's make sure the table fits properly within the page margins. Click on your table and go to the Table Layout tab. Select Auto Fit, then click Auto Fit to Window. This will adjust the table to fit within the document's margins. If necessary, manually resize the columns by dragging the borders or using the Distribute Columns Evenly. And that's it. Now you know how to fit a table in Microsoft Word without text spilling over the margins or rows breaking across pages. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Cloveron for more tech tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any other Word-related issues you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.